How to get free bits using Twitch RPG. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Twitch RPG to get free bits by taking surveys. This method is really easy to get started on, so let's get straight to the point. What's going on, you guys? CCS back with another CalmCool tutorial. So you want to get some free bits to donate to your favorite streamers? Here's how to do it. First thing you're going to want to do is go to Google and search Twitch RPG survey. Click on the link at the top and it'll take you to the Twitch RPG website. If you can't find the link, I'll leave the link for you guys in the description. Next, you have to sign up with Twitch RPG. Down below, click on join our community. Twitch RPG is a community of over 60,000 global Twitch users who answer short surveys to exchange for bits. Next, follow the steps to set up your account. Choose what country you live in. Click next. Now connect your Twitch account. This way Twitch RPG can send you the free bits. Once you're done setting up your account, you can log in and you'll be met with the front page of Twitch RPG. Scroll down and on the left hand side you're going to see latest activities. For me, I actually have a bunch of surveys in here right now that I have to do, but for you guys, if you're just signing up, you probably won't get surveys for at least a week. But recently, Twitch RPG has actually been sending out more surveys. Also, these surveys are limited to the first 400 people that click on them. So sometimes you'll actually see a lot of surveys in your latest activities, but when you go to click on them, they might be expired. So look out in your emails for when you get the surveys right away so that you can do them before anyone else does them. One important thing to note is that after you complete the surveys, it takes 45 days from the time you complete the survey to receive your bits. So once you see that you have some surveys, go ahead and start your surveys. And then once you finish, wait 45 days. During that 45-day period, you're going to get a lot more surveys. So continue to do the surveys so that you can stack up your bits over time. Now, if you want to see if you received any bits in the last month, go to your Twitch and check your notifications. This will show you if you received your 100 bits or not. And there you have it. That's how to get free bits by taking surveys on Twitch RPG. This is the last known way to get free bits, but it also helps to improve Twitch by taking these surveys. So I hope this helped you guys out as well. This video is going on way longer than I wanted it to, so if you guys enjoyed the video, hit up the like button, hit up the sub button, and leave a comment down below. Thank you guys again for watching. Until next time, keep it calm, keep it cool, keep it savage.